Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So, welcome in today's video. So what we are going to be dealing with, right? We want to upload this kind of like project which I've been working on GitHub. So it's kind of like it is important for someone who's doing computer programming or even web development to have a GitHub platform or a portfolio where he or she is able to publish the information. So okay, so this is the thing which I want to. Everything is contained. HTML and CSS is within one place, so I need to upload it into GitHub. So what you need to do, first of all, you go where it says add, right? Because this one is going to say new repository. Just because my Git way of doing things is just kind of like not doing well because of my internet, so I'm going to use this manual way of uploading information. Okay, so on this page, right, what we're going to do, right, we're going to name our repository name. So this one I'm going to call it membership fill up form. So membership form, right, just like this. I hope it allows me to have a let me just combine it like this. So now I'm going to give a description, right? Okay, it's optional, right? But let me just do this. Is a simple a membership fill up form made with just HTML and CSS. Okay, it should be public, right? Because I need it to be accessible by everyone. You can write a long description. Okay, for now I do not know how to do this. It's license none, just none. Okay, so now I create a repository so that anyone on the internet in this universe can able to access this repository, right? So let's just wait for it to load so that we'll be able to upload our file, which is contained in where is my file? Okay, let me try to go and locate my files. Okay, there it is. Okay, let me just review in file explorer. There it is. There is the file. Okay, let me just minimize this. So this is the file which I need to upload on this repository. So what I need to do, right? Okay, for me to be able to upload this file on this site, let me just wait for it so that I can import something. So you just click where it says upload in an existing file, which we are going to upload. And our file, surprisingly, it is kind of like 5 kilobytes. It's so small and it is nice. Okay, so let's just wait and see. So on this side, right, what you have to do, while using a computer, you can just drag and drop on, but using your mobile phone, you have to kind of like select where it says choose your file. So now I have to drag and drop this form into this space, as you can see. Okay, let's just wait for it to upload. So it will be showing on this part of our screen. So mind you, my internet is kind of slow, so bear with me, guys, bear with me. Okay, so I'll be just pausing and continuing after it almost complete. All right. So how do I do this one? So add commit changes. So add files file. Okay, add files file. Okay, upload. Now let me just leave it like this. Okay, it's now almost completed uploading, right? Uploading. Let's wait for it to tell us something. Okay, the file have been uploaded, and so let's just commit changes by just committing that. Okay, yeah, let's wait for it. So it's now going to redirect us to another page, right? Oh yeah, processing your files. This is how we do to go. So we're almost like close to 5 minutes within the video, but bear with me, guys, because I'm just trying to show you how things done. If the machine and the internet was fast, which will be done in lesser time, but there we go. All right. So I've got kids in the house, and there is pretty kind of like noise, guys. I wouldn't tell them to shut up or keep quiet because it won't be nice. It's a weekend, though. I should have been recording this during the night. So okay, it's about to finish loading. and your people interested in this repository understand your way by adding. I will just edit later when I understand what a readme is. So okay, next, right? So now we have our repository uploaded, right? Now we need to make this one public, like more like in a website form, so that I would like everything within my portfolio to be accessible through the website. If anyone just when I just pass the link. So what we need to do, right now, I'm introducing you to GitHub page. So should I cut? Okay, let me just cut it so that I can do it on the next part of the video.